Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make a very popular Indian sweet, Motichoor Laddu. It's one of my favorite sweets and I'm so excited to share with you all how easy it is to make it at home. So let's get started. So the first step is making bundi. So for that I have taken 1 cup besan or gram flour, and I've used sieve to get rid of any lumps. To this I'm adding a pinch of salt. I'm also adding a pinch of food color. Here I have used orange red color. This is completely optional though. Adding 3 tablespoon milk as well. Now we can gradually start adding water and mix it well, so that we get a pouring consistency. So the batter should not be thick. It should be more on the thinner side so that we get a dropping consistency. Now take a heavy bottom vessel, switch on the stove and add oil. Take a perforated ladle like this. Now once the oil is hot enough, take a good amount of batter and gently start pouring in. Let the bundis fry for some time. We don't want it to be very crispy, otherwise it will be very difficult while shaping the laddus. So half a minute should be a good amount of time to get it cooked. Now we can remove the fried bundis from oil. Let it drain in paper towel or tissue paper. Repeat the same step until all the batter is done. Now we are done with making bundis, and if you find any big pieces, you can slightly crush it with your hands. Next step is to prepare the sugar syrup. For that, here I have taken 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. Switch on the stove and start stirring continuously. And here I have somebody special helping me in preparing the sugar syrup. That's my son. His name is Advik, and he's a very big fan of Motichoor Laddus. We need to let this boil until we reach 1 string consistency. Now switch off the stove and add half tablespoon of lemon juice so that the sugar syrup doesn't get crystallized. Next we are going to add the fried bundis to the sugar syrup. Now we will let this sit for around half an hour so that it gets absorbed well. Meanwhile, we can roast few dry fruits. Here I am using pistachios and almonds, and my son is helping me with that as well. It's been half an hour and you can see the bundi has absorbed the sugar syrup. Now I am going to add in the roasted dry fruits. Take a small quantity of mixture and start rolling it in your palms and start making laddus of the desired size. Here I am making small sized laddus. Repeat the same until all the mixture is done. And at the end I am just adding small almonds pieces on top. And we are done with making delicious Motichoor Laddus at home. Thanks a lot for watching, and please do like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you until next time. Bye.